Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Got another surprise for you here. Like I needed another one of these, right? I got a Ferrex cordless 12-volt rotary tool with accessories. Bought this from Aldi, and I believe it was somewhere around $27 or so for this kit. Now, I cheated a little bit. I already opened this up, took it out, and charged the battery. So we should be on a full-fledged charge. I hadn't even turned it on since I charged it. But, let's see, make sure it works. There we go. It's on low. On high. Got a little squeal to it. Okay, let's turn this off. Okay, let's see here. Put this aside for a second. A little bit bigger than I like. So it's not going to be very comfortable to use, but it is usable. Here is the shaft lock button. Thumb guard right here. This is the nut lock right here. And it has on the inside, let's see, one collet. This is a steel collet. I just dropped it. Not the little brass ones that a lot of them come with. Just a second, let me find that collet. Here we go. So I like the steel ones better than the brass ones. Seem to hold up a lot longer. And we're going to see if the Dremel accessories will fit on here. So let me reach over here real quick and pull one out of here. Hopefully there's one in this container. Yep, here's one right here. Let's see, this is not marked Dremel, so I'm going to put that one back and get something else. Here we go. Let's see here. So here is a Dremel. Many people call this a router attachment, but it's not really what it is. It's for the spiral bit. Easy to get confused, and I see why people are confused. But this is not an actual router base. Let's see if it fits on this Ferrex. Put it in there. Let's see here. Goes this way. Does fit with no problem. So this Ferrex, which is also German-made tool, just like the Dremels. Dremel is owned by Bosch, which is a German-owned company. So the Ferrex will accept the Dremel accessories, such as the flex shaft, the jigsaw blade, the planer, you know, that kind of stuff. Anyway, that's good to know. That's a plus. Like I said, shaft lock here. This is your speed control. And this is your on and off switch. It's on low right now. 6 will be the high. Battery right here. Squeeze these 2 points of contact right here and they'll slide right out. Now this is a lithium ion battery. 12 volts, 1,300 milliamps. And here is the charger for the battery. We can get this pulled out. So it does just plug into a regular outlet right here. And it just pops right in just like this. And when it's charging, these lights right here will light up. These two lights right here on the bottom. So, there we go. Accessories, we have the wrench. 1, 2, 3, 6 drill bits. Sorry about that, folks. My camera battery died, and I don't know where I left off, so I'm just going to pick a point and go from there. Okay, we have the brass bristle brush, a nylon bristle brush. Here we have a white nylon bristle brush. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 different shapes of the pink oxide carving sharpening burrs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 round diamond burrs. There we go. And we have one that's kind of a cone shape. And we have 4 extra collets. So, to put one of these accessories into this tool, take your wrench, make sure it's loosened up, just grab one of these, slide it into the end right here. Let's get this out of the way. Slide it into the end right here, not all the way down, pull it out that far or so. Hold the button down with your thumb. Now what I do is I usually turn this with my fingers until it locks into place. Then just tighten it up with a wrench. Pretty self-explanatory. There we go. I don't feel a lot of run out on here, which means the accessory itself is not wobbling back and forth. And let's do a vibration test on this and a decibel test. Let me grab my phone. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. On my phone, I have a sound meter right here. Just going to push play on there. Or open, whatever it's called. Here we go. Whoops, what happened? Whoops. Trying to play a game on me. Let's get rid of that. Okay, you can hear me talking, and you can see the meter going up to mid to high 70s. There you go, right there. Knocking on this table right here. So, whoops, where'd it go? Come back here. There we go. I was looking at the wrong number. I was looking at this number. I need to be looking at this number. So my talking voice is in the around the mid 70s. And right now, with my lights buzzing and just slightly stuff in the background, it is showing that it is in the mid-teens, 17 or so. So, I'm going to put this on 1. There we go, maybe you can see it better that way. Turn it on. Anywhere from 35 to 39. Okay, I'm going to just turn it up to 6. So it's in the mid-60s, which is not too bad at all, really. Especially for a tool. So let's get out of there and let's go to the vibration app right here. Where's it at? Vibrometer. There we go. Close. Okay, I'm going to hold this as steady as possible. Maybe I'll just do this. I'm going to put it down right there and zoom in. Might be the thing to do for this. Oops. There we go. I'm going to put the tool right next to it. Okay, put it on low, and I'm going to set it on my table and turn it on. There you go, 1.5 to 1.9. Go ahead and turn it up to full speed. Go back down. Now let me put it on top of here, see what happens. You zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so on low is there you go, you see it changing. I'm going to say 1.5. Turn it up to high. Going anywhere from 2.9 to 3.4. So, if that means anything to you, that's what it is. But I think it's pretty cool. Got those 2 apps free from Google Play Store. Well worth the money. Anyway, I haven't actually used this tool yet, but I will. And I will give you an actual project I'm going to use this on within the next couple of weeks. So I'm going to keep this all together in one place and come back to it and do an actual project video with this. Like I said earlier, this is just an unboxing and an introduction. And my name's Carl, and I do appreciate being here and watching this.